I think the SDGs are a great way to broaden the conversation and move from idea to action. The SDGs have mobilized a conversation with corporations, governments, and investors and asset owners in a way that the predecessor Millennium Goals never did. I think when corporations are thinking about sustainable development goals with respect to how they do business, and asset owners are thinking about how to invest alongside them, you already have a dialogue that didn't exist in the past. And so I think it also elevates how all of the things that we do in the investment world are quite interconnected. And really we cannot think about growing the economies and placing capital for the future and retirement and savings without wondering about issues like climate change and how they're going to affect the way we do business and the way we live. And so I think the SDGs are a great way and framework to think about action. Institutions that are concerned that impact investing is too small or nascent, that is clearly not the case. We've taken 7 years to build a portfolio of this size and invest beyond kind of the legacy approach in a proactive way, building a portfolio that's diversified, that has multiple asset classes and geographic exposure. It also tells me that the investable universe is increasing. The market opportunity for investing with impact is growing. There are scalable companies, projects, and opportunities to pursue. And I think this is just the beginning. So for us, as we look at moving the investment forward, we're looking to collaborate with other investors who are looking to align to the SDGs and scale this even more. We talk a lot about metrics and measuring, and then we wonder about what should we measure. My sense is that the things that we measure for impact and SDGs should be tied to the business itself. The businesses that we invest in are quite resource constrained. They're already thinking about innovative business models and making money and profits and solving big topics. If we also burden them with a bunch of metrics, we have to be careful. So I think the challenge and the opportunity for all of us is to think about impact management in a holistic way and think about ways to collaborate better as we co-invest in these companies and projects, because we have to tie impact metrics and management to the investment and the business itself. And so while it's a challenge today, but one thing that we're all working on solving, so as we deploy capital, we can actually drive investment behavior in a better way and inform our investments on an ongoing basis using this impact management approach.